What if the most profound question isn't about the meaning of life, but about the nature of love? What if our understanding of love holds the key to understanding the Creator, the force that binds everything in the universe together? Imagine a path towards the Creator, narrow and winding. It's not a smooth road. It's paved with tolerance, justice, understanding, and cemented with the most potent force of all, love. Nothing in the Creator's universe holds significance without love. It's the divine mirror that reflects the Creator's presence for all to see. In this materialistic world, it's easy to be blinded by the playthings of man, losing sight of the things of the Creator. Remember, the physical world is fleeting, but with the Creator, we are eternal. Love is not just an emotion or a feeling. It's the principle that underlines all creation. It's life itself, and it's the Creator. Living in the Creator's light means truly loving all things and everyone as the Creator does. You are light and love, the light and love of the Creator. Let this light and love illuminate the physical world you inhabit now. You are capable of this. Every child of the Creator possesses this ability. However, this isn't the reality for many. Humanity is torn between two factions, the man-made laws and creation on one hand, and the Creator and His creation on the other. All too often, they lean towards the side of man due to a lack of proper teaching and understanding of a true way of life. The sacred texts say, "Know the truth, and ye shall be free." Are we free? If not, then something must be amiss with our teachings and way of life. Look towards the Creator, love, and understanding for a new way. Test this path and observe the results. All are one, and one is all. This is the Creator, our Creator, who is one. Know this, that all are equal and are children of the one Creator. How could one be better than the other in the Creator's eyes? When you see all, including yourself, as the Creator, you will experience a true heaven. This might take time to resonate with the people on your planet. They think from the standpoint of their creation, not the Creator. The Creator's creation is absolute love, understanding, harmony, and peace. Do we need more? Light and love form the basis of a true understanding of the Creator. This will only be found through sincere effort. Seeking is a prime prerequisite for a beginning. Love and understanding will follow. The journey towards understanding and embracing the Creator's love is a journey of self-discovery, a journey of understanding our place in the universe. It's a journey that starts with a single step, a step of love.
Have you ever wondered about the true essence of love and its profound connection to the Creator? As we ponder this, let us journey down the path of understanding, guided by the beacon of love, a path that leads us to the Creator. Picture this. The path to the Creator is not a broad highway, but a narrow trail. It's not paved with gold or precious stones, but with virtues such as tolerance, justice, and understanding. But what binds these virtues together like cement in a brick wall is love. Love is the underlying principle of all creation, the force that binds us all. In the universe of the Creator, everything is meaningless without love. Love is the mirror that reflects the divine presence for all to see. It is crucial not to be distracted by the materialistic trinkets of mankind, for they may blind us from seeing the Creator's true gifts. We are physical beings for a fleeting moment, but with the Creator, we are eternal. The Creator's light and love are within us. We are the embodiment of this light and love. It is our duty to let it shine through us, illuminating the physical world we inhabit. This is not a task beyond our abilities, for all of the Creator's children are capable of this feat. We were born to live in love and light. However, the current state of understanding has led us astray. We are caught in a tug of war between man-made laws and creations and the divine laws and creations of the Creator. Often, due to a lack of proper guidance and understanding, we choose man's side, binding ourselves to societal norms and customs. Our sacred texts say, "Know the truth, and ye shall be free." Are we free? Evidently not, which points to a flaw in our teachings and way of life. Therefore, we must turn to the Creator, love and understanding for a new path. Try this way, observe the results and be amazed. In the eyes of the Creator, we are all one, and one is all. We are all equal, children of the one Creator. How then can one be superior to another? When we start seeing ourselves and others as the Creator, we start experiencing true heaven. Many share this thought, but changing the mindset of the world takes time. People often perceive from the standpoint of their creation, not the Creator's. However, knowing that you are the Creator empowers you to create what you want, although you cannot alter the Creator's creation. The Creator's creation is absolute love, understanding, harmony, and peace. What more could we possibly need? Light and love are the cornerstones of a true understanding of the Creator. This understanding can only be attained through sincere effort. Seeking is the first step. Love and understanding will follow. In conclusion, love is the binding force of the universe, a reflection of the divine presence. The path to the Creator is paved with virtues like tolerance, justice and understanding, bound together by love. We are all children of the Creator, equal and one. By recognizing this, we can experience true heaven. Let us seek the Creator with sincere effort, and in doing so, find love and understanding.